okay, you brought up this issue, specificity. And I think this is the biggest pain point after the fact for, I'll just say, all parents that have been through family court. Mm-hmm. So when you talk about specificity in the order, and you mentioned what does weekend mean, what are say the 2 or 3 things that dads need to be aware of that you should have as specific as possible in your order?
Well, yeah. So especially if dad happens to be a non-primary custodial parent, then the order is really specifying when he's going to be able to spend time with his kids, because mom has the kids all the other times other than what's in the order. So we need to get start and stop times. We need to get parameters in there for Friday and Monday holidays. We need to have different set of parenting time arrangements for summer months versus the regular ongoing school months, because that could affect things too. For instance, in a lot of cases, mom might be primary during the school year where dad sees the kids, let's say, less than half the time, but there's no reason why during summertime dad can't have 50% or perhaps even more time with the kids, because they don't have a school schedule to be on. So even if the parents live far apart from each other, maybe dad gets them for, first 5 weeks, mom gets them for the next 5 weeks. Most counties have about 10 weeks off. Same thing with the holidays. Oh, speaking of holidays, so what we do is we try to make sure in almost every case that one parent's going to have Thanksgiving, the other parent's going to have the first part of the winter Christmas, New Year's break, and then it rotates vice versa. But we want to make sure that there's as little ambiguity as possible. So dads out there who already have cases going, maybe you've already got an attorney and just watching this and trying to learn what you can, ask yourself, the way this is written, the way your plan is written right now, what could possibly go wrong? Where could there be an honest or dishonest mistake about when you're going to be able to see your kids? More and more here in Georgia, dads are getting their kids, for instance, if it's their weekend, they're getting the kids typically Thursday after school, and maybe bringing back to school on Monday morning, as well as overnight during the week. What we try to do is go with not less than probably 5 out of 14 days. And if you think about it, if they have a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that's 4 nights right there. And then the following week, when it's mom's week and her upcoming weekend, maybe we do a Thursday evening, so that the kids are not going more than 5 days without seeing dad. And that's almost 50-50. Sometimes we do a 6-8 schedule, but in terms of specificity, we need to have parameters on where they're going to meet. If they're far apart, is the parent who's handing the child off, are they going to drive all the way to the other parent, and then the parent who gets done with their time with the kid drive them all the way back? Are they going to meet in the middle at a Kroger parking lot somewhere? We need to make sure. We need to talk about who is an authorized transporter of the children, because one thing you don't want to do is having a new boyfriend, new girlfriend, friends, and people that the kids don't know or that the other parent doesn't know. We don't want to have them involved in the process, and that can cause more problems than it solves. You just got to make yourself available. And dads, don't use proxies to go get your kids. Show that they're important enough and you're making the time to go get your own kids. What else? We didn't even get into child support yet. We're still talking about custody.
No, you dropped all that gold at the beginning, and we got to dig deeper.